Hello again. About 3 months ago I installed the modified Variator from DC Parts. I explained how the Variator works, the increase in takeoff speed that it gives you, also the increased noise and the slight vibration increase that you might get from the clutch housing here, because as I explained in one of my previous videos, the belt becomes a little bit looser. I'll explain how that actually works. One of the comments that's been made to me is, with that increased looseness in the belt and a bit more vibration, a bit more noise, is there an increase in the wear rate from the belt? The honest answer is I don't know. I've not had a look inside here, so I'm really not sure what's happened to the belt. I'm hoping everything's going to be fine. I've seen no drop in performance from this, no increased noise, no problems, no more vibrations than it was when I first installed it. So what I'm going to do now is have a look inside and we'll see what it's like. Now, to remove this, what you're going to need is a 6mm Allen key, a Phillips screwdriver, an 8mm socket, a 6 or an 8mm spanner, 8mm spanner. I have a pair of snips and a little prizing tool. The reason for that, which I'll show you as we go on, is there's a little clip in there which holds one of the cables which is attached to the black plate here. This is the first bit we take off. You need to remove that to get access to the rest of it. You can prise it off, which I did before, but if you do make a pig's ear of it, you can end up cutting it off. And it's also handy to have a couple of cable ties just to repair it. It's a special looking clip, but the reality is you can use cable ties to tie the wire back on, or the cable back into housing. So let's take it apart and see what it looks like. So as we take this off, we're taking this plate off first. If we have a look inside here, you can see there's a cable here which is attached to the back of this plate, and it's got one of these cable tied clips in there. You can buy these from Halfords, anywhere. What you can also do is to try and prise that open. Eventually got it all off. It can sometimes be a bit tricky. There's always lots of screws that you tend to forget about, but let's have a look. So this is the modified Variator, supplied by DC Parts. Having a look at the belt here, this is the original belt. There is no wear on this. There's no damage to it at all. It is still, looking inside the Variator, it still looks good. Feeling inside it's smooth. There's no additional dust that you might expect to find. So after 4 months, it would appear that the Variator is fine. There's no additional damage to the belt, there's no wear. It all seems intact, all seems fine. The bike is still working fine with no problems at all. I hope that answers the question. Thanks for watching.